Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. In honor of this Women's History Month, we'll be making Joy Spence's favorite cocktail, the Rum Old Fashioned, using her favorite recipe as shared by Appleton, and one of her signature blends as Appleton's master blender, the Appleton Estate 8-Year Old Reserve Rum. Joy Spence was the first female master blender in the spirits industry. You can check out my tasting of her other Appleton rum blends over here. For ingredients, you'll need Appleton 8, a rum rich with spices, stone fruit, toffee, and citrus, sugar syrup. I interpreted this as Demerara syrup, but feel free to experiment. Angostura bitters, orange bitters, and peychauds bitters. Once you've decided upon your syrup, gather all of your ingredients, and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, mixing glass, go-to jigger, and measure a ½ ounce of sugar syrup or 1/3 of an ounce of rich Demerara syrup. Two and a half ounces of rum, 2 dashes of orange bitters, 1 dash of peychauds bitters, and lastly 2 dashes of angostura bitters, or 4 with a dasher bottle. Add generous ice and stir for 30 seconds or so. Choose your rocks glass, add a large cube, and gently strain your cocktail. Garnish with an orange peel, and there you have the Rum Old Fashioned, made with one of my favorite rums, Appleton 8. A close second to my favorite rum, the Appleton 12. Now let's give it a taste. Rich toffee from the Demerara syrup blends naturally with the toffee, apricot, and banana flavors from the rum for a delicious Rum Old Fashioned. The peychauds bitters add a gentle licorice flavor, and the angostura helps bring out the spice, with the orange bitters and orange peel rounding out the sip with some gentle citrus. A delicious take on the Rum Old Fashioned. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite Rum Old Fashioned recipe? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.